What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite sauteed mushrooms to get them real nice and crispy. First thing, we want to get a nice even layer of oil in the pan. I like to use olive oil for this. Make sure there's plenty of space in the pan when we add the mushrooms, because if we pile them on top of each other, they'll start to release moisture, and the moisture is going to make them soggy and they won't get crispy. So make sure the pan is nice and hot as well before you add any mushrooms. One in to see if there's a sizzle. We're going to add them all in. And we don't want to move the pan too much. We want to let them sit, get nice and caramelized on that bottom side.
Here?
Great. Nice job. Nice. All right, so now we can see that the garlic is getting a little brown as well. So now it's time to add our spices. Here's our porcini paradiso. And spices only really need a second or two to bloom in the oil. All right, now we are going to add a little bit of salt, season to taste. And one of the reasons we don't add salt in the beginning is because salt will draw out the moisture. So we want to make sure we get the mushrooms nicely caramelized before we add any salt. And last but not least, I like to deglaze the pan, especially when we're adding garlic and spices that can burn. Adding a little bit of liquid to the pan will stop the browning process and get all the delicious bits and pieces stuck to the pan off, and then it'll absorb all into the mushroom. So I'm just going to use a little bit of aged balsamic. And there you have it, sauteed mushrooms.